Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope the lighting is okay. I feel like for some reason on camera it's coming off super bright, but if I turn off the main light, it'll be super dark. This is why I never like to film at night, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and filming at night is the only time I have time. Anyways, I haven't been on here in a while, and I didn't want it to seem like I quit making YouTube videos, because I haven't. I've actually been filming vlogs on my other channel that I will have linked down below, so you can go and check those out. But other than that, today's video is going to be an unboxing video, because I do have a couple of boxes that I want to share with you guys. It was just going to be a one box type of video, but then I'm like, I got other boxes, might as well share them too. So that's what we are going to do. So the first box I'm going to be sharing is this one. This is the Daily Goodie box for May. So if you do not know about Daily Goodie box, it is a free box. Let's just get into the box, because this is going to be a long video already. So when you open it up, it comes with this card basically telling you what I just said. You know, check out the samples. When you're done with the samples, test them out, go online, write your review of what you think, and that's it. So here is everything in the box. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so the box is pretty full. So the first thing is this, and this is xoxo tea, a premium instant tea. I have tried this before in one of my other goodie boxes. I really like this tea. It's super easy to make, and I'm happy that I got a variety pack this time, because I think the other time they just put 2 packets inside the box. So this is the variety pack. Comes with 10 servings, so you get 2 English breakfast, 2 mango green, 2 lemon black, 2 chai teas, 1 oolong tea, and 1 green tea. And with this tea, you can have it hot or cold. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, I do like this. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. I should have thought all this through. Okay, so next is this, and this is the Michelle's Granola Organic, handmade in small batches. So it is granola. So a packet of granola. And next is a Squeeze the Day by, is that what it's called? Yeah, Squeeze the Day by Prince and Springs Organic Applesauce, in one of these little pouches. If you don't know, I do have a 1-year-old daughter, so she's gonna enjoy this. I don't think she ever had these type of pouches before. I really don't think so. Okay, and next is this, I don't know how you would say this. Is it koi? I don't know. Organic kombucha. Raspberry lemon flavor, a natural flavored sparkling beverage. So that looks interesting. And then there's this Piper Way active charcoal deodorant. And as you can see with this deodorant, like, this is a full size. This has to be a full size. 2.7 ounces, and it's heavy. Okay, and then next is this Goddess Garden Organic Facial, and it has SPF 30. So yeah, I guess this is like a mask maybe. I don't know. No chemical. Oh, it's a sunscreen. So that is good because I do need some sunscreen. I do burn. I have like a whole healing burn on my neck and my chest region. And this usually a lot of times comes in those like foil packets type of thing. So to get like a sample size, travel size type of thing like this, I'm really happy for. Okay, and then next is this Pure Arua Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask. And this is made in Korea. I love to use Korean products when I can get my hands on them and I can't find them. Yeah, their products are amazing. Okay, and last but not least in this box is this Kika's Treats Salted Crunchy Caramels. Dark chocolate covered palm sugar caramels with crunchy rice. This is interesting. So that was everything in the box besides these little pamphlets and coupons. I know for the granola there is a 15% off coupon if you're interested. That is the code. I will have it down below. I don't get any type of commission from the codes when it comes to Daily Goodie Box. So yeah. So that was everything from Daily Goodie Box. Okay, so the next box is going to be a Pinch Me box. So let's see what we got in here. So the first product is by Beach Nut, and these are the yogurt melts. And this is in the flavor strawberry, apple, and yogurt. My daughter has tried yogurt melts before. She loves them. But she hasn't tried them by Beach Nut. So I want to see how these go with her, if they go well, how the texture is, you know, like all that type of stuff. So I am excited for her to try these so I can see if she likes them better than the other ones. And the next thing is a fruit pouch by Beach Nut Organic. And this is in apple, sweet potato, pineapple, and oat. Looks like this. She hasn't tried these pouches things before because I used to, like when she was going through like, when she started solids at 4 months, I think. And I made all her food. And I'm still making her food, but you guys get what I mean. Like I didn't give her stuff like that. So yeah. And the next thing is a free bitten salad dressing. So it's a coupon for a bitten salad dressing. So yes, that is a good box. When it comes to Pinch Me. Remember, Pinch Me is also a free service that you can sign up for to get products, test them out, write a review. Yep. Okay, so the next box is, I'm like already opening it before I even show you what the box says. It's a Mirad box. And then when you open it, you guys can't even see. Is that better? Yeah. So that's what it looks like. And there's 3 products. Okay, so the first product is this Mirad Hydration Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi-Cleanser. So yeah, cleanser. And then it's this Mirad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. And then Insurance Replenish Multi-Acid Pill. So this is a pill mask, which I'm actually really, really excited to try this pill mask. Anything that can help my face right now will help. I was using this like 30-day system that lasted literally forever. I will have that link down below. It was amazing. And speaking of that, this is like way off topic. I don't, but let me just finish. Speaking of that, I do have dry skin now. Yes. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I used to have like oily combination. I would always talk about oily combination and what will work for my oily skin. But now I'm completely dry and it's rough. So yes, that is all for this unboxing type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the comments section, let me know what videos you guys would like to see. And also keep in mind that I'm more than likely going to be filming like this at night, and probably occasional daytime if I can fit it in. But that's not a promise. Usually it's probably gonna be at night because right now it's like almost 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can hit that subscribe button if you want to. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.